Welcome to our next home tour in the heart of LoHi, one of Denver's most sought-after neighborhoods, where luxury meets city living. Today, I'm taking you inside a stunning move-in ready 3-bedroom, 4-bath urban contemporary townhome with incredible mountain views and city views. Stick around to the end to check out those views. Let's head inside. As soon as you step inside, you're greeted by this bright, spacious, open concept main floor living. And I love how the dining and kitchen seamlessly flow together. And don't forget to check out those high ceilings and beautiful wood floors and sleek contemporary gas fireplace. Automatic shades add to this home's privacy and ease of use. Now let's talk about the kitchen. It's a gourmet kitchen with clean modern lines, quartz countertops, and a large island perfect for entertaining, and top-tier Bosch appliances, including the cooktop and oven. The kitchen is both built for functionality and style, plus it connects effortlessly to the dining room, so you're always part of the action. Upstairs, you have 2 spacious bedrooms, each with their own ensuite bathroom. This is your primary retreat, complete with motorized shades, a large walk-in closet with custom organizers, and a spa-like ensuite. You have dual vanities, a glass enclosed shower with elevated finishes throughout. And check out those views from the primary bedroom. Perfect view of downtown Denver.